Hey guys, what's up? Rajat here from VFX World. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So guys, this is my last tutorial from the year 2019, and in this tutorial I will show you this cool interesting effect inside of Dolby After Effects, and this is called AE Phase Tool. So without wasting any time, as I always say, let's get started. Okay, so right now we are in After Effects, and this is really very easiest way, and I want to tell you guys, this is a third-party plugin which you can download it very easily. It's completely free. Link is in description. Just go and download it from there, because I already downloaded there from there as well. You guys can purchase it as well. Okay, so for this, what you have to do, we have to track this phase, and as you all know that Dolby After Effects from CC 2017, After Effects provided us a phase tracker tool, which is the most interesting tool ever. Okay, so for that, what you have to do, select this footage, and from here just click and hold, and then you guys can select this ellipse tool or any kind of what you can say, pen tool. Then click this and just simply drag and drop, simply like this. And then what you have to do, press none, just like that, and then right click, then track mask. When you click track mask, one window will pop up here. Just make it larger, and you guys can see there are so many options. Is the analysis, frame backward, forward, frame by frame. So over here you guys can see some options like position, rotation and all. And end of the day, you can see the face tracking, outline only, and the face tracking detailed features. So we need the face tracking detailed features. So I just click this, and then what you have to do is just play this play option. Okay, so when you click this, you guys can see this already started tracking, and you guys can see this, the trackings are really awesome. If your footage is really good, you don't have any issue with this tracking. So when the tracking will come, I will get back to you. So now our tracking is completely done, and now I just played this for you guys. See, the trackings are really awesome. Okay, so the next step is that you have to create a frame which is the most cleaned frame, and everything is visible from there. So in my case, in this footage, the first frame is completely visible properly, and the faces are in front of camera, nothing like tilt or rotated like this or like that. So I'm just taking it like a first frame is a really good frame. Now what you have to do, select this mask option. Over there you guys can see there's the option like set rest pose, or you guys can set rest position. So then just create this. So when you click this, one option will pop up that is called extract and copy face measurements. So just click this. When you click this, you have to hold for a few seconds, and then some options will pop up, and then right now it's done. So now what you have to do, from window you guys can find an extension Motion Bro, and it will come when we install that plugin properly. So just go through that readme file which is included, that project files, and then just install it properly, otherwise this option will not come. So from here, extension, and then just go Motion Bro option. When you click this, you guys can see I'm just clicking this like this and increasing like this. So you guys can see there's a Motion Bro option will be popped up here, and you guys can see there are so many options are visible. I'm just turn this off so that you guys can see this properly, and I'm just making this option little bigger. Now you guys can see this in a big way. I think this is good. I think you guys can understand it right now properly. So what happened when you just moving your mouse cursor on this, you guys can see there are so many options visible here, like this and like that, and this is, so it's actually what happened when you click this option, it will paste it over there. So I'm just taking a glasses. So this is a glasses option over there, and so many glasses are there. See, this is so many glasses. So let's create some glasses for this lady. So let's press apply this. When you make sure you have to select this mask option and the face measurement option, and then just press apply. When you press apply, suddenly you guys can see one glass will be popped up, and it will apply on this face. And when you press 0, see, it's completely tracked well, and it's not jerking as well. So I think this is really cool, right? So let's try another one. So you can just turn this off by using this I button. You guys can turn off. I'm just turned off this, and now let's click something else like emojis, like this is the cool one. Just press apply. When you press apply, you guys can see after a few seconds it will apply it here, and see, same thing for this as well. And let's try one more, because this is really interesting, you know. And let's create this option, and it will completely apply on her face. see, just you have to wait few seconds. Now this option will popped up. Okay, this is nothing, just relax it. Some errors will be come, but nothing will happen because see the hairs are on this face, so these are called the errors. So rest of the part is completely, see, it's completely pasted on her face. Okay, let's try one more thing, and let's call this like distortion. Okay, so I just love this distortion and all, so just click this mask and all, and what do you have to do, let's create this big eyes. Okay, then just press apply. When you press apply, you guys can see the eyes are right now really bigger. Press 0. Now you guys can see it's really good, right? Awesome guys, right? So I hope this is a really interesting process in this After Effects, and Motion Bro, you did a really good job. So I hope you guys are really enjoyed this tutorial a lot, and if yes, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like button, and give comments and share. And this is my last tutorial from the year 2019, and I will see you in year 2020 with some new contents, new tutorials, and something new will be happen. With that said, Happy New Year everyone. Stay healthy, have fun, don't drink and drive, and keep watching VFX World. Love from my side. Bye bye.